Which continent is the southernmost and fifth largest in the world? A. Africa. B. Australia. C. Antarctica. D. Asia. The correct answer is C. Antarctica. What are examples of population composition influencing migration? A. Age and sex. B. Literacy rate and employment status. C. Dietary habits and health conditions. D. Housing type and property ownership. The correct answer is A. Age and sex. What is the chief energy source of the Earth? A. Stars. B. Moon. C. Clouds. D. Sun. The correct answer is D. Sun. What is the approximate width of the Trans-Himalayas in its eastern and western extremities? A. 225 kilometers. B. 40 kilometers. C. 100 kilometers. D. 150 kilometers. The correct answer is B. 40 kilometers. What is the state of rock in the upper part of the mantle? A. Molten. B. Gaseous. C. Liquid. D. Solid. The correct answer is D. Solid. What phrase is used to describe the main purpose of recreational tourism? A. Cultural exchange. B. Educational journey. C. Fun activity. D. Spiritual awakening. The correct answer is C. Fun activity. What are the major elements that make up SEMA? A. Sulfur and iron. B. Silica and magnesium. C. Silicon and aluminium. D. Sodium and calcium. The correct answer is B. Silica and magnesium. In which direction does the Nile River flow? A. Northward. B. Westward. C. Southward. D. Eastward. The correct answer is A. Northward. Where is the Snake River mentioned in the text? A. Columbia. B. Newfoundland. C. Saskatchewan. D. Labrador. The correct answer is A. Columbia. What are examples of common plants found in freshwater biomes? A. Water lily. B. Cacti. C. Grasses. D. Pine trees. The correct answer is A. Water lily. What is the name of the sea mentioned in the text? A. Beaufort Sea. B. Caribbean Sea. C. Labrador Sea. D. Bering Sea. The correct answer is C. Labrador Sea. Inefficient engineering design in the construction of which structures can cause floods? A. Power lines and substations. B. Buildings and bridges. C. Roads and highways. D. Embankments, dams, and canals. The correct answer is D. Embankments, dams, and canals. The Sheshchalam Hills are recognized as what type of protected area? A. Biosphere Reserve. B. National Park. C. Bird Sanctuary. D. Wildlife Sanctuary. The correct answer is A. Biosphere Reserve. Which department is Dr. Selvakumar V associated with? A. Chemistry. B. Maritime History and Maritime Archaeology. C. Physics. D. History. The correct answer is B. Maritime History and Maritime Archaeology. What biological diversity is found in Tamil Nadu? A. Only migratory birds. B. Only rare aquatic species. C. Varied flora and fauna. D. Only endangered reptiles. The correct answer is C. Varied flora and fauna. What is the typical duration of winter in the described region? A. Moderate and wet. B. Short and intense. C. Long and cold. D. Very short and mild. The correct answer is C. Long and cold. What should be done with cattle animals for their safety? A. Provide them with extra food and water. B. Move them to a higher ground. C. Untie them. D. Keep them tied up securely. The correct answer is C. Untie them. What do systematic efforts analyze and manage in disaster risk reduction? A. Historical disaster records. B. The psychological effects of disasters. C. The causal factors of disasters. D. Economic impacts of disasters. The correct answer is C. The causal factors of disasters. How many ISRO satellites were involved in taking the IRS images a year ago? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 5. The correct answer is B. 7. What type of wines are characteristic of Antarctica throughout the year? A. Moderate and dry. B. Extremely cold and icy. C. Mild and breezy. D. Warm and humid. The correct answer is B. Extremely cold and icy. What do the processes of erosion and deposition create on the surface of the Earth? A. Tectonic plates. B. Earthquakes. C. Volcanoes. D. Landforms. The correct answer is D. Landforms. Which mineral is matched with Tiruchirappalli? A. Bauxite. B. Limestone. C. Iron ore. D. Gypsum. The correct answer is B. Limestone. What is one of the learning objectives related to fossil fuels? A. To reduce fossil fuel consumption. B. To export fossil fuels. C. To discover new fossil fuel deposits. D. To identify fossil fuel resources. The correct answer is D. To identify fossil fuel resources. What percentage of carbon content is found in anthracite coal? A. 90 to 100%. B. 60 to 80%. C. 80 to 90%. D. 50 to 60%. The correct answer is C. 80 to 90%. Which mountain ranges are listed to be marked on the map? A. Urals and Appalachians. B. Himalayas and Alps. C. Atlas and Great Dividing Range. D. Andes and Rockies. The correct answer is B. Himalayas and Alps. Which of the following is mentioned as a component of the universe? A. Dark matter. B. Nebulae. C. Black holes. D. Comets. The correct answer is D. Comets. What is the total area covered by the Great Plains of India? A. 100 sq.km. B. 7 lakh sq.km. C. 320 sq.km. D. 240 sq.km. The correct answer is B. 7 lakh sq.km. What is the length of Tamil Nadu's coastline? A. 780.5 kilometers. B. 1200.3 kilometers. C. 906.9 kilometers. D. 650.2 kilometers. The correct answer is C. 906.9 kilometers. Where was the first automobile industry of India established? A. Kurla, Mumbai. B. Pimpari, Pune. C. Uttarpara, Kolkata. D. Nepangar, Burhanpur. The correct answer is A. Kurla, Mumbai. Which agricultural practice is mentioned as a method for better soil management? A. Excessive tilling. B. Monocropping. C. Contour bunding. D. Chemical fertilization. The correct answer is C. Contour bunding. How did you score?